list me everything we would need to go on a photo booth right now.
Okay, table, printer, laptop, the adapter that attaches to the charger that also attaches to the tether, camera, flash, trigger, the 2 lights, the C-stands, sandbags, green screen, gaffer's tape, clamps, the tablecloth that shows our logo, the paper, you gotta have extra paper, and the packaging. The packaging is important.
3 more.
There's 3 more things? You know there's 3 more things?
3 more things.
Dude. The iPad, the generator and the Wi-Fi adapter. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. You see, it's a lot. Hi, my name is Grimshaw. I'm the lead photographer with Desire to Inspire Studios Foundation. This is how to set up a photo booth. It starts off with me doing a mental checklist. And so you kind of go through the mental checklist of the main stuff, right? What do I definitely need?
Yeah, so we don't use this for tethering, but we'll use this to hook up the printer and to set up the charging. The less cables people see, the more it looks like you know what you're doing. I mean, they don't think about it. They go like, oh, he doesn't have a lot of cables.
Yeah.
But they don't need to think about it.
If you got something that's gonna be done in the moment, where you have to plan this out, you're gonna have to be printing out a lot of photos, you're gonna have to be juggling a bunch of things, you better set up your safety nets ahead of time and test them out,
When you went through the gate, did you go to the left? There's a building right there.
Oh, well, which gate? Because there were like 3.
No,
Yeah.
shouldn't have been 3.
There are 3. Down the main road, there are 3.
The last one before you get inside the dumps.
Are
Are you at 565 Jacoby? Like, did your map sig you there?
565 Jacoby? No, the map took me to 1050 something.
Anderson?
Yeah.
So you're on the wrong side.
And then you want to go through, okay, what might I forget? You want to have sandbags to make sure that if anyone bumps into the lights or the green screen, that it's not falling down to 1, hurt other people, but also 2, hurt our wallet, because this stuff isn't cheap. Not that it's can't put a price on people's, well-being, but, this, you don't want to replace this stuff. Yeah, getting people to smile is hard. It's almost like speed dating in a way, where you just have to turn on the charm a little bit, just for a few moments.
Yeah.
And as long as they kind of get that from you and they get a little bit of good energy from you back, then you'll be able to get a smile. I think the best way to put people at ease is to you yourself be at ease, which will mean plenty of practice, because at first it's intimidating to be the one taking the photos. It's intimidating to be the one telling people what to do, where to stand and pose and smile and hey, we didn't get it. Let's do it again. Let's do it one more time. But keep that energy up. Yeah. It's like there's a tension there. So you just have to remove that tension by you yourself not having that. Again, it's practice. You need to mess up and you need to work on it. And, the best thing about this job is that we have levels of experience looking out for each other, so that, we can help each other grow and get to that level of comfortability. Like with SFYC, it was full body portraits. I don't know if that's industry standard, but that's just what we call them here. The challenge there is then making sure the floor looks nice too. So for that, we'll use something called Mylar sheet. It's just this really thin reflective material. And when we pair that with the green screen, it kind of just works as an extra green screen because it reflects the green light off the green screen. I would tell an intern that's going to join me on a photo booth to show up on time and to just have a good attitude. We haven't always had that with people that we've had as interns in one way or the other. And again, that's not to say you'll never get a job. There are plenty of people that are late and have a bad attitude and they still find work. But that's what any place is looking for an intern. It's universal skills. Yeah, sometimes you're just getting an internship credit for credit's sake, but hey, maybe see what would happen if you cared about it too. I mean, it'd be pretty great. You could learn something new that could take you into other things, Not necessarily, people pleasing skills like being behind the camera but talking to clients, that's most jobs you're going to be dealing with more people, and that's a great skill to have that can take you far. This has been Setting Up and Breaking Down a Photo Booth. I've been Grimshaw with Desire to Inspire Studios Foundation. Thank you for watching.